Hello, everyone. Let's talk about anchor charts today. So what I do have here is my entry chart, which is for, this is the size of it. Let me show you. This is for 1020, and this is the entry chart. I do use this one also as an anchor chart when I trade on the smaller time frame or the smaller breaks or bars, which is 2, 5, 10. Let me go back again here. So half of this is the small size of the entry chart. So anchor chart, if I'm trading the 41020 would be double the size on this one. Okay, so the other anchor chart I use is this 30 minutes chart. And so what I'm going to discuss today is the settings, how you create the settings for each for this 30 minutes bar. And no matter which one, which instrument I trade, either is ES, NQ, GC, or CL, I use the same settings for each one of them for the 30 minutes. So it's the same across the board. So let's and by the way, the anchor chart shares the same settings for the entry chart in the Renko. So I'm gonna put here the settings that you can see. So you can visit that video when I have review the settings for it. So let's go and open this 30 minutes chart. You will see also that in the lower side, in the lower end of this chart, or right here, I do use the MQ momentum. This is an indicator that I bought from, it's called let's see. Anyways, I bought it. Yeah, I'm gonna remember soon the name for the company. But what I was trying to say is that this indicator can be easily replaced in the with the MACD, and the way to do it, it's explained in the video that I just shared here. So let's go and open the indicators that are set up in here. So you see that this one here, and I'm gonna probably put them in order, so I'm gonna explain it better. I'm gonna move up this one. I'm gonna move down. So you have here the EMA, this blue line or cyan is the 5 EMA. Okay, so that one is that one. Simple. Then this one would be the 13. The red one would be the 13. The green one is going to be, I'm gonna open it here. It's called lime. This one is going to be the 21 EMA. And then the yellow is going to be this one here, which is the 50 SMA. Okay. And the 200 is this one right here. Okay. I do have this one as well. Let me see why I have that one. This is the 50 EMA. Yeah, there's a reason I have that one there. So basically, I wanted to compare how this one would behave with the EMA, the 50 EMA with the 50 SMA. Okay, so I wanted to see if they were too different or not, because what I was doing here is to entering that stack EM. Okay, so the stack EM is set up like this. Let me show you. Where are you? Darvas. I lost it. Where is it? PM stack. Okay, right there. So what I did here was to put 5, 13, 21, 55, and 89. Okay, so which is the same values that I have here. And then that one would paint green if all the moving averages are stacked to the upside. In this case, would be green. So that works in that way. I also have I can validate this one just by looking at them. So if you see that the price and the moving averages are stacked to the upside, then you can simply see them there. And that's it. So let me see if I have any other indicator here. Stack EMA. ATR stop, I don't use it anymore, so I don't have it on. Super scalper, fractals, no, I don't use them. MQ momentum, and I use the Darvas as actually. It's Darvas is an indicator that I have here and paints this horizontal lines there. So give me kind of like support and resistance, or the latest and also the history in here. So you see that is some resistance in here in blue. So right there, and then there's another one up here that it's just forming. But the previous ones are this, and you see that they are moving to the upside as well. So this box here is moving higher than this one here. So that indicates that there's a momentum to the upside, or so the it gives you some levels of support and resistance. It's just a reference for me. Some people trade Darvas. I don't. I just trade the momentum or the entry chart of the Renko. Okay, so I think that's it. Very simple. That is the anchor chart for the 30 minutes. Thank you for watching.